This is DN Srivastav and you are watching Fight for Just and Right. Today I am going to talk about Right to Information Act 2005. Right to Information Act 2005 is a powerful tool for the citizens of this country. Right to information is a powerful tool for restoration of human rights. But today, right to information has been diluted in such a manner that any citizen who seeks information on any aspect, on any issue, is misguided by the public information officer in a manner that the citizen of India who writes an application under Right to Information Act as an RTI applicant is confused, is misguided in a manner that he is unable to seek his own right, is unable to seek the information that he is seeking from the public information officer. I am going to talk about various aspects where the public information officer will try to misguide you, will try to actually put you in such a situation that you will not be able to get the information for years together. You might keep running from pillar to post, from the first appellate authority to the second appellate authority, but you will not get any information. And even if you get the information, even if you get an order from the highest authority, which is the Chief Information Commissioner, and if the Chief Information Commissioner makes an order that the public information officer is required to reveal the information sought by the applicant, even then the public information officers do not comply with the orders. In such a situation, what a citizen should do under the Right to Information Act? What should you do to get the information that you are seeking? What should you do in case the public information officer does not reply your application? What should you do if the first appellate authority do not respond to your appeals? And what should you do when your application or your appeal that has been filed before the Information Commissioner is delayed by many years? In some cases, more than 3 years, more than 4 years. What should you do? You feel helpless. Friends, on this channel, Fight for Just and Right, I am going to discuss all about right to information, the process of filing applications, the process of filing first appeals, the process of filing the second appeals before the Information Commissioner, and what should you do when you do not get replies, when you are misguided, and when you are made to run from pillar to post for years together instead of revealing the information, instead of revealing the facts. If you want to know all about these, please subscribe this channel, Fight for Just and Right, and just keep watching this channel for regular updates on problems that you face under the Right to Information Act. We are going to give you solution for all those problems. We are going to discuss all those problems right from filing of application to the disposal of the second appeal. We are going to tell you all about personal information, what is personal information, how a public information officer cannot stop information on the garb of personal information. Many a times it has been seen that the public information officer, on the pretext of an information being personal, does not reveal the information to the applicant under section 81J of the Act, saying that it is a personal information and cannot be revealed, which is wrong. In most cases, it is wrong, and it has been observed and found by the information commissioners. And the information commissioners, to the effect, have given so many judgments in favor of the RTI applicants, wherein the public information officer has been directed specifically to provide information. There is another scenario where a public information officer, despite being directed by the information commissioner to reveal the information to the RTI applicant, does not reveal, and they delay the matter by years with a simple intention to discourage the RTI applicants to file such applications. So friends, if you are really interested in having the knowledge of why the public information officer cannot delay your application, how and what action should be taken by the RTI applicant, how a first appeal should be filed, when a first appeal is not heard in time, what should you do, and how to file a second appeal, and how to deal with the second appeal, what information, what document should be carried with you before the information commissioner for arguments, so that you get the proper information by the public information officer. Please keep watching this channel so that you know all these facts, and do not get misguided, do not get disheartened, do not get perturbed with the information that the public information officers are giving you vaguely. Do not get disturbed. Simply keep watching this channel. You will know all what to do when a public information officer tries to harass you by this kind of vague information, late information, or by refusing information on the pretext of being personal information.